welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren G. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Excuse me talking weird. I just changed my aligners and it's so tight I cannot even, move correctly. So today we're gonna be reviewing, well not reviewing, but styling this wig from Samsbeauty. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig, and of course it's synthetic because y'all know I got y'all. But this is the style Shanice and it's in the color 1B. So it comes pre-plucked, they state, and you don't have to do any plucking. Boop boop, and it's so cute. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take it out the pack. I've not even seen it yet, so okay. So the style I have in mind for this wig, I hope it pulls through because like this is quite like thick because it's kinky. But like I said, this is the style Shanice. It's 13x6, meaning it's ear to ear, and then you have 6 inches right here to part. So you could mainly part in the middle. I don't think you could really do, well yeah, you could do side parts. Yeah, you could do both. So you could do side part and middle part, wherever you want to part it, there's enough space. It comes with combs up here, 2 right here, 1 at the back, and it comes with adjustable straps. Can you guys see? It comes with a comb, adjustable straps, and elastic headband. The lace is kind of dark, so if you're on the lighter side, this might be hard for you. But I'm gonna try to work with it. I'm not gonna pluck this unit at all. I'm gonna apply it off camera, do the baby hairs and well, yeah. I'm just gonna apply it off camera, then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna style it together. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I go ahead and do that. The hair is kinky, straight, so it's supposed to like mimic curly, straightened hair texture or just African American hair texture. The length, I'll show you guys when I get back, but it feels coarse. Let me see, like 1 strand came out, not that much shedding, but I feel like this unit would probably tangle easily, but we'll see about that. Let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna just go apply it off camera, then I'm gonna be right back. Bye guys. So off camera, I applied the wig using boat hold, and no, I did not pluck the wig at all. This is what it looks like. So now I'm just using a razor and I'm just cutting the extra lace off, and I'm really trying to get like really close to the hairline at the same time without cutting myself, which I did on accident, but it's okay. But yeah, I feel like I prefer using the razor rather than scissors to cut the lace off. I don't know, I feel like it gets really close. But this is what the hair looks like, just cut off, nothing done to it. This is the length. Now I'm gonna go in and just pick where I want the part to be at. Like I said, this is gonna be a side swoop like video, styling video. So I'm just picking out everything and clipping the rest back. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs. I had tried to do it on camera, but it literally took like 30 minutes to do these baby hairs. And it didn't even come out how I wanted it to come out. So I just gave up on doing it on camera and I just did it off camera. But as you can see, I used my baby hair brush and I used the yellow bottle Got To Be glue. And yeah, just take your time. Now I sprayed the hair with some freeze spray, the Got To Be glue yellow freeze spray. And that's just to sleek the hair down a little bit. Then now we're gonna work with the swoop. So this one is self-explanatory, like you're gonna see what I'm doing in the video, but I'm just gonna be parting it, then spraying some freeze spray on it, then sleeking it back. At the same time, make sure you brush everything out while you're doing it. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch and I'll be back.
might have met them, or maybe not yet. But baby girl, I just want to let you know that you're my special somebody. Woman of my dreams, what's the enough to do for you? She be not like had a time if I know die for you.
I use both Got To Be Glue Free Spray and some Pump It Up Spray as well. Now I'm going to just take a bobby pin and I'm just going to clip that back area just so it can be secure. Okay, while waiting for my flat iron to get hot, I'm going to go in and I'm going to thin out the hair and, you know, slim it down a little bit. And I feel as though I'm going to cut the ends so I could get like a classy kind of look. I don't know. We're gonna see as we go, but that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Now I'm gonna go in and flat iron my hair. Although this wig is synthetic, it really takes heat well. My flat iron goes all the way up to 450, so it took heat all the way up to 450, which is really crazy. But you know, if I had took my time some more, the hair would have really been sleek. But I was rushing, so my bad. Do for you. She be not like had a time if I know die for you. Other girls them feel fine, but them no fine pass you. Other girls them feel get, but them no get like you. Oh, oh. Come make I give you this love, señorita. All I wanna do is love you. Okay, y'all, so like I said, I wanted to cut the hair. In my head, I had a whole different look. But when I grabbed these scissors and I did just what I did, I regretted it right away, okay? I feel like the hair would have looked just as fine as it was. You know, the cut did not do it justice, but at the same time, it doesn't look that bad, but I regret it. Now, although the hair did take heat well, it does not take curling well. Okay, so I am finally done. This took like 2 hours or 1 hour and a half, but I finally did it. I hope you guys liked it. Like, I don't know, I should have not cut it, I think, but I don't know, I like it a little bit, but I think it just gives more of a classy, put together look. But I really do hope you guys like this video. Somebody had recommended it in the comments and I was so happy because I didn't know what to do with this wig for the longest. I was trying to think like, should I do bantu knots with it, or you know, like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I really liked how this turned out in my opinion. neon. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, help me with hairstyles. What do you guys want to see? Like, regardless, it don't even have to be hairstyles. What do you guys want to see on my channel? It's finally summer for me, meaning I have all the time for you guys. So let me know down below. Make sure you share this video, comment, subscribe, and join the Slay team. Bye guys. Thank you so much to Samsbeauty. Make sure you guys check them out and check the description box. Everything will be in there. Bye.